Greetings of the day, folks. Here is a small introduction about new batch which has been started on Monday, that is 18th October 2021. So this is a completely English medium batch. Each and every teaching class will be in English medium only. Before getting into the batch details, let's go for selections now. First, in from 2016 to 2020, we have got 11,432 final selections. And if you want to avail this data of 11,432 candidates, you can avail this from two sources. One is our official Facebook page, that is Sridhar CCE, and second is our official website, www.sridharcce.com. And coming to RRB Clerk 2021. So the exam has already completed for mains also. In prelims we got 6,714 final selections, and for mains we are waiting for the results. And coming to RRB, KDCC, Krishna District Central Cooperative Bank. So in this, for staff assistant post, total number of vacancies are 54, where 44 final selections are from Sridhar CCE. And for assistant manager, out of 105 candidates, 82 candidates are from Sridhar CCE. And RRB PO, we have got already the mains result, that is since 6006 final selections we got in prelims, and mains exam also we got nearly 1600 plus candidates, and count is still going on still in it's been getting counted. So nearly 1600 plus candidates are selected as of now, and the interview sessions are also started for these candidates. You can avail this information in our YouTube channel only in other videos. Then coming to SBI Clerk Prelims Examination 2021. So we have got 6,832 prelim selections. The exam has been held on 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th of July 2021. And SBI Clerk in 2020, we got the main final selections of 423 candidates. And coming to what are the subjects we are going to offer in this particular batch. So in this batch, we are offering subjects that are quantitative aptitude, general English, reasoning, computer awareness, banking awareness, and current affairs. These subjects are useful not only for this particular batch, but these are the subjects where maximum of the competitive examinations will contain only this. And we are going to provide you all these subjects in two levels. One is basic level and second one is advanced level. In basic level, we mainly concentrate on prelims examination, and in advanced level, we mainly concentrate on mains examination. And students who got selected for prelims examination, offline students, they are also getting the mains separate batches, that is target mains batch, that is available for offline students as of now. And coming to the courses useful for, so all the subjects which we are teaching in this particular batch, which we are providing you in this particular batch, these are mainly useful for IBPS clerk, IBPS PO, probationary officer, and IBPS SO, and SBI clerk, SBI PO, and SBI SO specialist officer, and RRB assistant, RRB scale 1, RBI assistant, all insurance examinations, and all PGDBF examination, FCA examination, Food Corporation of India, and also EPFO examinations. And coming to the course, this course we are giving you, as I already told you, this course we are giving you in two levels. One is basic level and second is advanced level. In for both basic and advanced level, we are going to give you 450 plus hours of teaching, and in this all the subjects will be covered in both levels. And coming to the medium of teaching, this batch is completely English medium batch, so all the printed materials, all the PDF materials, and all the classes will be only in English medium. And coming to course duration, and before getting into the course duration, see topic wise test. Apart from 450 plus hours of teaching, we are providing you 150 plus hours only for topic wise test explanations and all. So there we are going to give you a reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, banking awareness, current affairs month wise, and computer awareness subjects. In this, we are going to concentrate a little bit more on general English and quantitative aptitude, because you people already know for prelims examination getting qualified is enough, but for mains examination you need to have a good score. So in order to give you a good score, we are going to concentrate a little bit more on general English and quantitative aptitude, where we teach mainly the English advanced topics and quantitative advanced topics and advanced model questions which will be asked in your examinations. And for this we are going to spend 150 plus hours apart from 450 plus hours of teaching. And coming to course duration, so in this we have two types of duration. One is a 6 months course and second one is 12 months course. In 6 months course, what are the benefits you are going to get? As usual, you are going to get 450 plus hours of teaching and 150 plus hours of paper test, topic wise test, and PDF copies. You are going to get the soft copies where you need to download and read, and topic wise test, just now I told, and model test. So model test you are going to get every Wednesday. You will be having one prelims examination, and every second Sunday and fourth Sunday you will be having one mains examination. And special live classes will be there meanwhile in the 6 months duration time, and 6 months current affairs will be given. And in this 6 months duration, if you want to access any class at any time, you can access at any time, any number of times. Till you understand, you can watch any number of times. That is one more facility you are getting in this particular batch. And coming to 12 months duration, the same 450 plus hours of teaching you are going to get, and PDF copies will be available for you in English medium, and also the printed material, the hard copy of books will be delivered at your doorstep if you subscribe for 12 months batch. And model test, as usual I told you, it will be done for 12 months, and special live classes will be there in the total duration of 12 months, and 12 months for current affairs will be given to you, and you can access the videos any number of times at any time in your portal. Okay, so next, coming to printed material. In this printed material we have total set of 10 books. 7 books are related to basic level and 3 books are related to advanced level. In basic level you are going to get English 2 books, and arithmetic ability, banking awareness, general awareness, computer knowledge, and verbal reasoning. And in advanced course you are going to get 3, that is advanced verbal reasoning, advanced arithmetic, and advanced English language. So these are the 10 set of books you are going to get if you subscribe for 12 month batch. Okay, the next, coming to team. In every organization or in any organization, the mentor or the guide or the person who teaches you plays a crucial role when it comes to specially competitive examinations. So in this we have a special adept team of faculty. The quantitative team faculty or the quantitative team are Srinivas Rao sir, Ramkrishna sir, Kot Reddy sir, Ravinder Reddy sir, Sasikala ma'am, and Sudhir sir. And for reasoning we have Sesi sir, Prudvi sir, Babaji sir, and Krishna sir. And for English we have Murthy sir, Naresh sir, Likita ma'am, and Padma Bhushan sir. And for banking awareness we have senior most Raghu sir and Mubin sir. And for current affairs we have Reshma ma'am. And how to join this batch, how to subscribe this batch? If you want to join or if you want to avail this batch facilities and all, you just visit our website www.sridharcce.com, go to online course, and if you click on online course it asks you to choose the batch. So choose English medium batch, what we are telling now, and click on register. And once after registering yourself, you can log in and go for the payment. And before going to the next one, validity. So when the batch validity starts, actually it has been started on Monday, that is 18th October, but no problem, not an issue, because whenever you buy this batch, whenever you purchase this batch, the date will be counted from that day onwards, so there will be no loss for you. No need to panic for the last date. And one more point here, in this, apart from promised test, we are going to give you additional or complementary or bonus test if you have been selected for any prelims examination or mains examination. If you have applied for any prelims examination within before the examination date, we are going to give you from past 10 to 15 days for we will be giving you special examinations where that will be concentrated specially on that particular exam. And apart from that, if you have been selected for any mains examination, we are going to give you additional tests related to mains examinations also. So these are the additional tests we are providing you apart from the promised test. So that's all about this batch. And still, if you have any queries related to this batch, you can contact us at 950443333 and 7569447777, or you can email us at online.sridharcce@gmail.com. So hope we'll meet in class. All the best.